What is up, you guys? We're back with another video. Obviously it's snowing. We got like, I'm guessing 5 inches of snow. So I'm gonna drive the G and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to drive in a rear-wheel drive car in the snow. Alright guys, we're just gonna have to full send this in reverse. Look, it's literally, I can't see anything from back there, so we're gonna have to full send it right now. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like I'm gonna get stuck, but if we full send it, we should be good. Alright, we're full sending it. Oh shit, almost slipped. And we made it. Shit! I don't know if you guys can see these roads right now, but there's so much snow. This is like crazy because usually the snow plows usually get through here, but it's Sunday, so I don't think they're gonna be working till later. But dude, this is sick. I gotta slow down because I'm going down on a hill too, and this hill gets so slippery. I apologize if you guys hear the AC. It's because I have my window defoggers on. Shit! This is fun, bro. See how the roads are over here? Shit! But driving rear-wheel drive in the snow isn't really too hard as long as you know how to like clutch work or do like slip the clutch, because you have to do that a lot in the snow so you don't slide. Guys, look at these roads right now, bro. This is crazy. There's literally like 5 inches on the road right now. Look at this dumbass. Bro, this is like the worst snowstorm I've ever driven the G in. This is crazy, bro. There's literally no plows. That's insane. Dude, I'm like slipping and I'm not even like trying to. Oh shit. Bro, what the fuck? Dude, this is fun. Oh, I cannot stop, guys, or I'm gonna get stuck for sure. Bro, this is insane, guys. Like, actually, I'm probably gonna get stuck right here, boys. I was pulling in here, and I did this like, cause this is this little turn right here. I drifted it, and then I drifted going right at the stoplight, bro, and I spun out in front of a car. That shit was so embarrassing. Bro, this shit is insane, bro. This is so fun. I need to go get gas too. Yeah, this is crazy. Even the main roads aren't even plowed yet. So slippery. Freaking crazy, bro. This weather's been insane. But yeah, driving rear-wheel drive in the snow isn't really that hard, to be honest. You just gotta learn how to drive and know how to counter steer when you slip. Like when you start slipping like this, you gotta learn how to like counter steer it. But once you get the hang of counter steering, it's honestly fun to drive in the snow. Yeah, this is crazy, bro. This whole road is gonna be so flooded once it starts warming up. But I'm gonna take you guys out of spot. I'm gonna put you guys down just so I can get there safely. Guys, I had to turn on my hazards because I know I'm gonna get stuck right here. Woo. Bro, this weather is insane. I actually like it. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to hit this roundabout with one hand. This is gonna be sick. I've done it before, but I haven't done it with one hand yet. But I think I'm getting the hang of it, so I'm gonna try it. Hopefully I don't crash. Bro, we are drifting so slow right now. No way, I just leaked the whole roundabout, bro. Dude, that is so fun, bro. I linked that whole thing, dude. That is so sick. Yo! Alright, I'm ready for FD. No, I'm just playing. Can you imagine? Dude, this is fun. Alright, I'm gonna try and drift this left corner. Oh, too much. Too much sauce. Too much sauce. Please don't get stuck. I'm not even trying to drift right now, bro. I'm trying to get out of here. I'm trying to go left. Holy shit, dude. This snow is deep, you guys. I might get stuck. Crazy. I've never seen the roads like this. Unpaved. Dude, that is, I mean, fucking unshoveled, dude, that is insane. I can definitely have fun today. Oh, there's a camera right there. Chill. Take the chill pill. Dude, I don't know if you guys can see all that snow just coming off my tire, bro. That is so, I bet you that looks so sick. Dude, you guys do not, the camera does not do its justice with how deep the snow is. The snow is actually deep. Like, I'm surprised they have not got stuck yet. This is insane, bro. Literally the whole playground right here. Bro, this is cool. Okay, guys, we are now stuck. Dude, the road is literally ice. Snow is on top of ice. That is so crazy. Bro, this is too fun. Oh shit, bro, dude, that scared me. Yo, there was like a big poop of snow that looked like smoke, bro. I thought my car just blew up. Yo, this is wild, bro. There's another roundabout right here I'm gonna try and do. Hopefully there's no cops. I doubt it though, because it's hella snowing out here. Alright. Oh, too much. Oh, bro. Slowest drift in history. I'm gonna find like a open parking lot, and then I'm gonna pick you guys up and I'll show you guys some donuts. Now look at my wheels. Dude, that is insane, bro. I don't know why you guys hate on VQs, bro. These cars are so fun to drive, bro. Dude, I didn't even know my taillight was covered. Dude, that is crazy. Yo. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you guys down and do some donuts. Hopefully you guys like the video. As always, like and subscribe, and deuces. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and dip out of here in case cops start coming, because I've been here for a while. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.